I am in France. It's time to give another session of reading to try to figure out what truly is happening at the moment in Australia. So, the reading start. So we can see definitely at the beginning of it that there is a kind of implementation of strength, force, power by some kind of male governant who seems to forgot how to politely and diplomatically and democratically find a way to achieve a better issue for the people living there. So we've got the devil as well, and the devil, true, is like showing us that there is definitely something hidden from about the current affair from the people living over there in Australia. Still, it seems like we need to have full capacity of patience to be able somehow to develop more information and to be able to understand fully the situation. So it's about really keeping all our capacity to get objectivity with the information coming around, to be able to have a better idea of what really truly is going to be unfolded. So again, prudence, management, and patience, be at the service of the truth, be at the service of using all our capacity and channel to be able to support understanding and truth, to be able to share something valuable who is going really to transform fully our reality. And because of that, it's true that sometimes we feel really alone in our own capacity to realize, figure out what truly is happening. So sometimes we find and feel that heaviness of feeling alone with our own mind and our own reflection. Anyway, we continue and we see compassion is very important still to keep it clear. It's about cleansing. It's about feeling deeply our capacity to be part, to be able to be helpful, to be able to be resourceful, to be able to support, with that still the capacity to enjoy whatever we have, finding pleasure, finding the resources to travel a little, finding the capacity to rejoice, whatever little moment we have with our friends, with family, with people around. And to keep it quiet, to keep it in mind that it's better somehow as well not to shout too loud, but to keep quiet and feel strongly that power to be able to be free spirit, not having fear, able really every day to conduce our way to the true expression of our destiny, no doubt about that. Because it's true, that's a very difficult time with a lot of challenge and difficulties and drama happening. So more important, again, to have that capacity to keep quiet mind and to feel that free spirit in ourselves very much awakened. Because in front of us, yes, it's going to be, again, challenging. It's going to be some kind of, triggering. It's going to be obstacle. But that's what humans are good for, you know. They're going to have to pass through it. And it's about the word. It's about to understand what is that word that we want to create together. So because of that, we still have to keep, again, high spirit and the capacity to keep on humor. and laugh at the situation, laugh at the stupidity and the crazy news just coming to us. We need to have some distance, and the only distance is to be sarcastic or to have a lot of humor about it. And still, information, news, developing our capacity to objectify whatever news coming to us, because we know that the challenge of our time is going to be able to distinguish with our intuition what is right from what is false, what is really happening in all those fake news, all that complotism, all that crazy idea that there is really an agenda hidden against us. So let's not fool ourselves going straight in the wall with that idea that we can't do nothing and there is really something ugly coming to us. At the contrary, let's try to have distance and let's try to laugh at it, because what is more important is to receive the initiation, about truth again, about what is important as values for every individual, for every citizen, for every living person in that planet. What is important? What are our really, truly our inner value for tomorrow? Wish you to all the best, serenity first, and patience, and your capacity again to feel strong and to feel powerful and to feel absolutely mesmerized eventually about the initiation that all of us we are receiving at the moment.